1969 Pontiac GTO with the Judge package. Real deal too. PHS documents to prove it. Carousel red, the original color of this car also. Black vinyl interior. 400 V8 power underneath the hood that's paired up with an automatic transmission turbo hydromatic. 400 to be exact. Let's take a look at this front nose. GTO grille. Nicely equipped power steering, power brakes. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see under the hood, engine bay, interior, trunk. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. If you're seeing it on YouTube, that's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. You can see the paint has a nice shine to it. Would I call it absolutely perfect? No. But again, still shows well. Don't get me wrong. Be proud to take this car to any of your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. It's a head turner, no doubt about that, the way it looks and the way it sounds. Riding on American Racing, kind of a smoke chrome wheel. Disc brakes up front. And you can see the passenger side here, not full of nicks, dings, or scratches, really anything major as far as a ding, scratch, dent. Interior, black vinyl, seat belts intact. Buckets up front, center console. Does have an aftermarket Kenwood stereo, I believe it was, a little under the dash gauge cluster. We'll get around to the driver's side, check that out a little closer. First, I want you guys to remember, and gals, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. We get a good look at the rear of the car and the chrome of the bumper. Rear wing. Once again, those still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're into muscle cars, maybe you like the late 60s through early 70s vintage cars, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Vehicles are uploaded daily, and when they're uploaded, they are available to purchase right off our showroom floor. Or if you make it see us in person, we always like that. Come and see us. Or, of course, there's the internet. We're seeing this. Hood mounted tack, and yes, that does work. We'll check that out in a bit. We're going to start this car up, let you hear it run. We'll also take it for a drive at the end of this video, like we usually do. Jason's going to take her for a spin. One more look at that rear seating area. Doesn't look like any rips, tears, holes in the upholstery. Door panel carpeting looking good. How about that headliner? Headliner looks good. Still has the shoulder belts intact, and also the lap belt and the shoulder belts. I just have them down next to the center console, so you know. I'm going to have to turn on the battery. There is a disconnect that I did have shut off, so I tell you what, I'm going to pause this just real quick, be right back. You won't even notice. Didn't even notice I was gone, did you? All right, let's fire this up. Hood tack, there you can see it. That is working. Kenwood stereo, ring up. Let's go ahead and pull in a station here. Stereo working, and gauges underneath the dash. It was a cold start, so temp gauge I wouldn't expect to be up. Oil pressure. Look at the dash. Looks good. Good sounding 400. Door closes nicely. Didn't take a whole lot. All right, take a listen to that. rumble coming out of that V8. All right, as you can see, I popped the hood when I connected that battery. So let's go ahead and check out the engine bay. Good look at the underside of the hood. Like I mentioned earlier, battery disconnect right here for in between drives or while it's in storage. There it is. 400 V8 power steering, power brakes. A little chrome dress up with valve covers, air cleaner cover. An iconic muscle car, 1940 Pontiac GTO, the Judge package. PHS to prove it. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1969 Pontiac GTO Judge in that iconic orange that the Judge has with the stripe. Such a perfect looking car, honestly. One of my favorite muscle cars for sure. The Ram Air hood, the hood tack. This is an automatic right here on the center console. Accelerates smooth and strong. Speedometer showing 65 miles an hour. That may be reading a little high. The fuel gauge showing just a little under 3/4 of a tank. Factory tachometer is not moving currently. We have a Kenwood stereo in the dash.
All the pictures of a fire hydrant. Okay.
That is working well. Blower motor works on this car. Wipers also work. Great thing about these GMs is you can flick that real quick. Watch them move. Don't even have to wipe the full windshield. Vinyl bucket seats, very comfortable in this car. Look to be stock style seats. Power brakes working really well. Power steering, very easy to steer. Nice looking wheel with the wood and chrome spokes. This car corners as it should for a 69 GTO. You can hear the four-barrel open up when you get on the throttle. Sounds really good. One of the most iconic cars, the Pontiac GTO. And if you like the 68, 9, and even the 70 style, this one carries some of that style. Very beautiful cars. Take a look at all the picture and details at uniqueclassiccars.com.